I'll copy from examples wireless Wi-Fi simple-adhoc and switch. Open that one. I put in the background and then I'll open one more traffic control also. Why I'll open traffic control?
You need to copy on and off.
So these are the two files. So I'll first copy the flow monitor from here, header file. Otherwise it will tell me that it is undefined. I'll copy it here. Paste it. So this is your now generate traffic. I'll remove it off because I'm not generating traffic, I'm not receiving any packet, so I'll remove it off. Okay. This is okay, I think. This also you can do because we are not taking anything from the command line to reduce the code. So this is you are telling that by default unicast routing you are setting it here for all the Wi-Fi station nodes. Create nodes, we will keep it nodes 5, 6, whatever you want, you can keep it. Now you will be telling that your standard is 802.11b because you want it to work in add-on. Correct? Then your physical layer is same what you have taken in the LAN. And all this setting, gaining and all of that physical layer, and you will tell that you are using this your data link layer as 802.11. It is already there, let it be like that. Okay. Now you will be installing this one on your, you need to install this file and NAC. So for that one you need to add NAC and disable the rate control. So for that they have you save the station manager constant rate, and station manager means your nodes. This is a constant rate Wi-Fi manager. Data mode is given here. What is the value of the data mode? Here somewhere is given. There is a data mode value. No, data mode is a physical mode, and what is the value is this one only, dB, 80 dB, sorry, DSSS. So this is a distributed sequence. There are two types are there, point to point and distributed. So you are using distributed physical mode. You need not bother much about this because it is a physical layer as well. And control layer also you are using the same one. Now this type, you see your type of the MAC is ad-hoc Wi-Fi MAC. Okay. This is making your network as an add-on. You are installing this Wi-Fi, what you have configured here as 802.11. And this map which is of ad-hoc type on all the nodes what you have created as a C, stored as a C here. 6 nodes, all the nodes it will come. Okay. Now your mobility I have added 6 nodes are there, but initially it was only 2. So only 2 locations are given. So I need to have 6 locations. This one 3, 4, 5, 6 I'll do. Now here I will make it 5, 0 is already done, so I will make 5, 5, then 5, 10 I will do, then I will make it 15, 0, then I will make it 10, 5, or 10, 0. Any X, Y, Z location I can give it, okay, to give the position, because it is a mobile. Now that position you will be allocating to your mobility, and it is a constant position model. You can make it random also, and installing on the C nodes what you have created initially. Install the protocol stack, assign the IP addresses, then you will be application now is starting from here. I'll comment it out this application. this scheduled event which is scheduling the task transmission, I'll delete because initially remember I have removed the generate traffic packet. So I'll remove that also. And this received packet also I will remove it. Now I need to add the I should not add there. Only to transmitted packets I'll copy. From here everything I'll copy as a transfer. Destroy is also there. Transfer. So this I'll replace my socket type at the sender side, at the receiver side. Now this is my receiver. So what is my interface now here? So my interface here is I have assigned the IP addresses. So instead of it is C node. Which node I'll make it as a 4th node or 5th node I can make as my receiver. Okay. So I have installed a UWP factory and made my node 4th as the receiver and started it. Now I'll be telling this is my on and off application which is having these parameters. This is the application. My receiver node is I get address 4 because here my receiver is 4, so I'll tell this address is also 4. From I4 address I want to access that one. I want to install this on any node you can install 0, 1, 2, 3, any node you can install. Okay. And flow monitor will tell it, run it. Now I need to the simulation time is that one, so I will copy that simulation. Save it. Packet sync was not declared in this code. Packet sync was not declared. Application control. Everybody will tell me what is there. See, I want to use the existing application, so I should add the application header file because it is defined in this application header file. So it's not getting that packet sync helper which are the standard parameters. Nodes, where we will give nodes. The receiver side I should use C. So use packet side and number of packets unused. I can take out of that. Packet size and number of packets are unused. Try to make your program which is working free also. Flow monitor statistic as well as remaining also. Any doubt?
Blue tracks.